नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। I am JVN Dr. Anamika Aherwal, Associate Professor in the Department of Science and Technology at Jayavati Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Today I am going to take the lecture on the topic Test Team Organization and Management. In every project development, there is a team who organizes how the work is going on, okay, or to manage the workflow, okay. So here I would like to tell you about what is test management. Test management, because I am talking about the software testing, okay. So in test management, it is a process of managing the testing activities in order to ensure high quality and high end testing of the software application. The method consists of organizing, controlling, ensuring traceability and visibility of the testing process in order to deliver the high quality software applications. It ensures that the software testing process runs as expected. And this is not just a single activities, you can say it consists of a series of activities, because in a management there are lot many things which are involved, okay, like monitoring and controlling. So manage all the things so that we will get the right output, or you can see the product. Now come to the test management phases. There are various phases in which you see in this figure, okay. So this is the now you are able to see this, okay. So first is the planning, and this is the execution, okay. So here first of all test estimation, then test planning, and this organization and monitoring and control, and this issues management, and the rest report and execution, okay. So this is basically concerned with the planning, and this is the execution part, okay. So there are number of phases you have to follow it, right. So come to the test management process, okay. In the test management process, it is the procedure of managing the software testing activities that from start to the end. The test management process provides planning, controlling, tracking and monitoring facilities throughout the whole project cycle, okay. So the process involves several activities like test planning, designing and test execution. It gives an initial plan and discipline of the software testing process, okay. So there are two main parts of test management process. First is the planning and the second is the execution. In the first, that is planning, that is for this is the risk analysis and test estimation, then the risk planning and test organization, okay. So the second phase is the execution. In that, test monitoring and controlling, issue management, test report and evaluation, as I have already shown in this diagram, okay. Now come to the planning. What is planning, okay. So for monitoring you need to do some planning, okay. In that there is a risk analysis and solution, okay. What is risk is the potential loss resulting from a given action or an activity, okay. So this is the first step which test manager should consider before starting any project. Before any project may contains risk, early risk detection and identification of its solution will help test managers to avoid potential loss in the future and save on project cost. Means simply, if you are taking the risk, means of course there is potential loss, but if कहते हैं ना कि अगर रिस्क नहीं लोगे तो फिर हाई जितने सक्सेस कैसे मिलेगी, तो बहुत जल्दी ऊंचाइयों तक पाने के लिए कई लोग रिस्क भी लेते हैं। तो कुछ आउटपुट अच्छा पाने के लिए कुछ एक एक R&D की जाती है, मीन्स एक रिस्क लिया जाता है कि ऐसा करके देखते हैं तो क्या होगा, okay. And the next is the test estimation. In this test estimation, an estimate is a forecast or prediction, okay. So this test estimation is approximately determining how long a task would take to complete. So this estimating effort for the test is one of the major and important task in test management. These are some benefits. What are first benefits of correct estimation? अगर आपका estimation correct होगा तो आप सही तरीके से आगे की प्रोसेस या आगे की फेसेस को फर्दर प्रोसीड कर पाओगे, ठीक है. देन यू विल गेट द राइट आउटपुट और यू विल गेट द यू नो एक यूज़र की रिक्वायरमेंट को फुलफिल उतर पाओगे. So the test planning is what? A test plan can be defined as a document describing the scope, approach, resources and schedule of intended testing activity. And you can say a project may fail without a complete test plan. This test plan is particularly important in large software system development. So in software testing, test plan gives detailed testing information regarding an upcoming testing effort, including test strategy, test objective and exit suspension criteria, resource planning and a test deliverables. Means एक सबसे पहले टेस्ट स्ट्रेटजी हमें बनानी पड़ती है किसी भी चीज़ की. उस स्ट्रेटजी को हम कैसे बनाएंगे, तो आप उसके लिए कोई ऑब्जेक्टिव भी सेट होना चाहिए हमारा. फिर हम उस ऑब्जेक्टिव को टेस्ट करेंगे कि ये जो ऑब्जेक्टिव है क्या वो जो उन्होंने सोच के चला था वही ऑब्जेक्टिव है या नहीं है, ठीक है. फिर जो एग्जिट हो रहा है सस्पेंशन क्राइटेरिया होता है, क्या वो सही तरीके से काम कर रहा है या नहीं है, उसका कुछ क्राइटेरिया रखा है या नहीं रखा. जैसे कभी सिस्टम हैंग हो जाता है तो क्राइटेरिया है ना, ऊपर से आप इसको बंद कर दो या फिर टास्क मैनेजर में जाके आप उसको उस पर्टिकुलर एप्लीकेशन को एंड टास्क कर दो, तो एक सोल्यूशन दिया जाता है. उसका कुछ क्राइटेरिया होता है कि स्टेप बाय स्टेप यू हैव टू फॉलो दिस वन. ओके. सो द नेक्स्ट इज क्या, रिसोर्स प्लानिंग. और जो रिसोर्सेज की प्लानिंग की गई थी उनको हम टेस्ट करते हैं. और टेस्ट डिलीवरेबल्स मीन्स वो सब टेस्ट कर रहे हैं जो चीज़ आउटपुट आई है वो वही चीज़ डिलीवर हुई है या नहीं, इन सब चीज़ों की हम क्या करते हैं, टेस्टिंग. Okay, so this is all about today's session, and this session powered by Digital Version 2.0, Jagati Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.